first Noel, the angel did say, was to certain poor shepherds in fields as they lay, in fields where they lay keeping their sheep.
Alright guys, welcome. This video is gonna be a little bit different. I know I'm supposed to be starting in the front door, but I'm gonna start it through the garage because this is how I come in the house, and then we're gonna go in the front door. So here we go. So when I walk in, this is the laundry room. I won't be opening that. I just wanted to show you guys my holiday decoration. So when you get here, to the left right here is where the fireplace is and the Christmas tree. So here's my couch. From my previous video, you guys probably see the couch already. This is the Christmas tree. Alright, this Christmas tree, I let the kids decorate it. I haven't put anything up there yet because usually we have the kids put the star or the angel on top of the tree. So this is why we don't have it yet. This is some ornaments they made at school. I got these two candle holders at, where did I get them? At Burlington Coat Factory. And these two at Burlington Coat Factory. So this is our socks, our stockings, or I don't know what they call it. This is it. This is Christmas countdown. So every day they wake up, they change that day. I got this thing at Walmart. I don't know if they have it this year. I got it like 3 years ago at Walmart. So moving on to this side of the room, this is where the TV is. I usually have these pictures on here anyways, so I add this crown, and then I change this per season. So I would have lemon and things like that in there, and for fall I had pine cones and things like that, and leaves. This time I put ornaments in it. And then this little thing was really cute. I like this. It says meet me under the mistletoe. It's really cute. And I added this little house. This little house can turn on. Let me show you guys. That's another one of this. I have two, so I put it on each side. And then this is my couch. I already had those pillows, but this year I got this little pillow. So this is our family room. Alright, so once you get here, usually there's an art right here. I removed the art too. Just put this riff. As you move back, this is my pantry. I put that gather here thing here, but I put that since last year. And then I don't have a formal dining room, so I don't go all out to fixing my table. I added these on there. The lantern doesn't come like that. I got these lantern at Home Goods. Yeah, Home Goods. I got these lantern at Home Goods. I got these at Walmart, and then these all the little ornaments that I stick on there. So I made these by myself. And this table runner was from where? From Ross. And it's really nice. And my theme this year is mostly like red and gold and silver. Alright guys, so moving on. When it comes to my kitchen, I didn't do much. I just added this. I always had this, like I said, just like in the living room. I always have this. I just change what's in it throughout the season. And then this is cookbook. I just have it here as a decoration. These, I'm gonna have a holiday party. I saw them somewhere and I bought them. I think I could use them. And then on this side, I don't really have any Christmas thing. It's just my coffee maker. I'm not a coffee drinker, but I've been really into coffee before I go to work now. So I have my little coffee cup here. I've been liking this flavor. It's caramel latte. I just put it in the coffee and it's good. And so, this thing right here is a cutting board. And you know, when they start cracking and chipping, like the water, it goes like on the counter anyways, so I use it to put under my coffee maker. I don't have a fancy coffee maker because I used to never drink coffee. I bought this coffee maker for when I have my in-laws coming in town and they need to make coffee. That's all I have it for, my dad. But now I took it out so I can use it. I make coffee once in a while when I'm going to work. So yeah, I work early. I need to be awake. All right, so if you guys want like a really thorough house tour, I can do that after the holiday, because all of these have things in them that I don't use often. So if you guys want to see that, let me know. All right, and then when you get right here, this is my railing to go upstairs, but it's gonna be a part 2 where I show you guys upstairs, how I decorate upstairs. These little things, let me fix that. These little things here, usually there's 3 there, but I took it out so I can put this bow. This bow is so pretty. You see how shiny it is? I got it because I wanted it. And then when I got here, I didn't really know what to do with it. So I put it right here. So it's like when you walk in, there's the red bows and there's the gold bow. All right, so this is my front door here. I got these little 2 pictures. I think it was it's either Home Goods or Ross. When I saw them, I thought they were so cute. And then this wall right here is so long because I have a high ceiling. It's so long and it looks so empty here. I have pictures on here, my curtain, and then there's this couch. This couch, we purchased this couch when we bought this house 5 years ago, and we got it at Bassett Furniture. If you have any Bassett wherever you live, this is so cute, and this has got the kind of details on it. It's super cute. Yeah. And then we have this rug at American Furniture. I don't know if they have it everywhere, but we have it in Colorado, which is where I live. This thing right here we got when we got the house too. It's from Pier 1. It's so cute, but it looks small, but it's so big and it's so heavy. The only reason it looks small is because of a high ceiling. And so we have pictures on the side. I added this on the side as like a Christmas touch. It's an ornament, but it looks so cute, so I just got it and put it on here. And then these pillows from Home Goods, those. And I didn't want to put too much on the couch either, so this is how it looks. And then this little table here, so cute. I like it. The kids took pictures with Santa a couple of years ago. That's them. And then I found this little reindeer at Ross. No, not Ross. I found this little reindeer at Burlington in this little Christmas tree at Burlington. And then I just add a bath. This candle is almost over because I've been burning it. It smells so good. The name is Strawberry Cupcake. It smells so good. And I got this little Christmas tree that says Very Merry Christmas. This is an ornament too, but it was so cute. And it doesn't match my tree, that's why I didn't put it. And I thought it would be really cute on the table here. And then I have this thing that says Laugh. And then this little 2 candle holders. I put them out every Christmas. I had them for like 5 or 6 years. And then I have the Eiffel Tower on the table. This table is so cute. Yeah. Now moving on to the tree. So onto the tree, I have the art behind it. It's from Target. Oh shoot, I forgot to tell you guys about the lamps. The lamps I got at Home Goods. They are much bigger than they look in the video. Anyways, onto the tree. This, I got most of the, nope, not most, all of the ornaments from Walmart. I did not know Walmart was popping like that. These ornaments are beautiful. Look at this one. They are so beautiful. I love, 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 love them. Look, this crystal. I even got the little gold leaves. I mean, not leaves. Those gold things on there. They are so cute. I love this tree. This ornament is so cute. I'm gonna start collecting ornaments. That's why I don't put too much on this tree, because I think this tree is like need more attention. I'm not satisfied with it yet because I feel like I can have way more on it, but I'm gonna start with these this year and then kind of like build it up every year, because I don't think I'm ready to let this tree, I'm gonna be ready to let this tree go yet. So guys, this is it for the house tour. I hope you liked it. I hope you liked the decoration. I hope you get some inspiration. I didn't spend much on anything because, like I said, we might be moving, so I didn't want to have too much things that I'm buying this year. So if you're trying to decorate your house on the budget, then this is a good idea for you. I only bought one tree this year. I already had the other one that's in the family room, and this one I just got it this year, and I got it on sale at Walmart for $89, and it was supposed to be $187 or $185, something like that, and I got it for $89, and I was so proud. This is my Bluetooth speaker there, because when I'm cleaning I like to listen to music, so I put that there. And let me give you guys an overall look of the house. Thanks again, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.